Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, this tutorial will work on either Android or iPhone. As you can see here, I'll be demonstrating on the iPhone, and I'll be showing you how to fix the mic being missing from the Duet feature. So for example, if you're trying to do a duet, you know, that side-by-side video that you use basically to react to somebody's video, but of course after recording you realize there's no sound and you have no way of getting the sound. This tip should help you fix the problem 100%. So let's get straight into it. Now of course, let me demonstrate what I mean. If for example you go here and you launch TikTok, we're on TikTok now, you hit the arrow, you select the Duet, and of course it's loading. But of course, as you see here, there is no mic option. And even if you go ahead and record and say something, you realize that later on there is no audio. Now I'll be showing you how to fix this. So the first thing you should do is instead do this. This one tends to work. Go ahead and hit the arrow again. Right here where it says Duet, instead select React. They are basically the same thing. The slight difference might only be the way the side-by-side is done. So go ahead and hit React, and here we are in React, and as you can see right here, notice the main video, and of course notice the mic option being shown, and you can see right here the video screen of the existing or the original video. You can actually move it around. Alright, so that's a quick workaround to fix the problem. So this one will record with the audio. I'm going to close this one out right now. And I'm going to exit again. Another thing you can try, guys, is to make sure that the app itself is working. So go ahead and go to settings. You're going to check the permissions. Once you're in settings, you're going to go down and find the TikTok application. Here you go, select TikTok. And you're going to look for the option that says microphone. Make sure it's not off, make sure it's on. Make sure the camera is on too, and of course make sure photos is set to read and write. And of course if you check all of that, you should be good. If the option for photo or microphone doesn't show up at all, you can trigger it here. If the option for photo doesn't show up, you can go here and hit the plus. It will trigger access to photos. Just simply go ahead and allow access to microphone, video, or to the camera roll. And of course you can always go back into settings and make sure that these are all set as mine is set here with read and write, microphone, camera, and so on. Alright, so that's the first major thing or the second major thing I should say to try. In terms of granting permission, I almost forgot. In terms of Android, if you're on Android, it's simply go to settings. So go ahead and find your settings option. Once you go to settings for permissions, you're going to go down to apps. Once you're in apps, go ahead guys and search for TikTok. Once you find the TikTok application, go ahead again and go to permissions and make sure that for TikTok it has access to the microphone, and also make sure it has access to the camera, and of course these two are key. And of course the microphone will allow you to use the microphone, camera to allow you to use the camera. Alright, so that's it. So you can actually exit here from Android. Alright guys, in terms of other things that you can try, you can always go back to TikTok, and when you're on a particular video, go ahead and tap the option here again, and once you're here you can try doing the duet. And of course you could always try recording, test, and of course I'm just gonna say this is ready. And you can try doing a voiceover. Record. Test.
Test. Fine. Test. Fine. Test.
All right, so
test, 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 test. All right, test, 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 test. All right.
all right, notice when I did the voiceover option there, it actually did the same thing, except now notice when I did the voiceover, it basically did the same thing, except now it captures the audio recording separately. So it's a little bit difficult to separate the video from the audio, but of course it could work out. So you could actually try using that to your advantage depending on what you're trying to do, using the voiceover option as a workaround as well. All right, so let's cancel this out, discard, don't save. Let me exit. All right, so you get all of that, and if all else fails, you can always go ahead and long press. It's a little bit different on Android. You can always go ahead and delete the app and then reinstall the application from the Play Store. All right, so that's about all the options in Android. You could also in Android you could long press and select uninstall for the application. All right, so that's it, how to fix the mic being missing for the duet option on TikTok. If you have any questions, please ask them below. This is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye guys.